Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of download videos on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will scrolling down until you find this application here of TikTok. As you see. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.